everyone who's been able to join our June edition of Swar Shravan. And if it is the second Sunday of the month, 5:30 in the evening, we all know it's time for some soul-stirring music brought to us by Manojji. He'll be presenting, we are sure, one of the doyens of classical music. So without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to him. Before I do that, a couple of housekeeping items. Please remain muted at all times. And if you have a question, do type it up in the chat window, questions, comments, and we'll make sure that we run them by Manojji and have him address any questions that anyone may have. So with this, looking forward to our June edition, and over to you, Manoj sir.
Thank you, Seshadriji, and namaskar to everyone, and welcome to this 10th edition of Swar Shravan. And guess what? It was exactly 9 months ago, September 13th, when we started this. And with all your support and blessings, we have completed 9 episodes, 9 months. So this is the 10th one. And what an artist we have today for this 10th episode. Number 10 is normally considered, like in soccer, if you watch soccer, the number 10 jersey is that number which basically belongs to the best player in the team. And today we have no less an artist. In fact, he's one of the legends who's unfortunately not well recognized. He also died pretty young. He died at the age of 34. But in that short span of time, he absolutely created like a wave during that time, wherein all the organizers of all major concerts would desperately be after him to come and perform at their event. And whom are we talking about today? None other than the legendary, and I must say here, one of my favorite artists, Pandit Dattatreya Vishnu Paluskar, also called D.V. Paluskar. So yes, Pandit D.V. Paluskar, he is the one about whom we are going to talk today. And and coincidentally, I was not aware of this before we planned for this session, but this year happens to be his birth centenary year, because he was born on 28th of May 1921. So May 28th, 1921, when he was born. So it's hardly like a couple of weeks back, actually, right? So that we celebrated his birth centenary. So what a amazing coincidence that we are all here to celebrate the life of this legendary singer who so sadly died because of encephalitis in 1955, just after he visited an Indian delegation to China. And after he came back, he had this fatal illness, which took him away from all of us. But until then, he had already created not just a ripple, but a wave. He had created a wave because, like I said, everybody wanted him to perform for them. In fact, in 1945, HMV specially approached him to make a record for them, the 78 RPM record that used to be there earlier. So in which he sang many rags for them. And in fact, uh, when he was all of 14, that's when he performed uh, at the Harvallabh Sangeet Sammelan in Jalandhar in 1935. And of course, he took that Sammelan by storm, needless to say. And the rest is history, right? Because then he was totally uh, a sought after artist. And as you listen to him, you will find that there was some sort of a divinity in his voice, you know, something very serene. So a very unique combination of serenity and at the same time power. So let's start our evening session with a rag which is actually sung at this time. And this particular composition actually was popularized first by Paluskarji. It is called Hari ke Charan Kamal Nis Din Sumar Re in Jhaptal, which is 10 beats cycle. Now, Rag Shri is a very interesting rag. Now, there is a Carnatic rag also, which is called Shri, but the Hindustani Shri is totally different from Carnatic Shri. In Hindustani Shri, there is a resemblance with Puriyadhana Shri, which is another of a very popular rags that is sung in Hindustani music. Now, in Shri, the two notes that are most important are Re and Pa, Komal Re and Pa. And it's a very unique combination of notes. So, just to give you an idea as to how Shri sounds. Sa re re pa re ma ma pa pa dha dha ma ga re pa pa re ga re sa ma pa ni sa re pa pa re ga re sa. So re so dominant that it's almost like an afterthought that let's maybe sing sa just to finish the cycle, So that kind of dominance re has in this rag, and of course to go with pa. So this is how rag Shri goes. So let's listen to this legendary composition by Paluskarji. And as we move forward, we will talk about him, his style, and the other aspects of his singing. So here we go. Rag Shri.
File 01 Rag Shri. Selected.
Da da na na da na
Uh-huh.
Re da na 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 da na na re da
Uh-huh.
हरि के चरण कमल
Dhina, 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 dhina.
निसधीन सुमर रे गावधर कर भीतर भाव धर कर भीतर भव जल देतर रे हरे के चरण कमल हरि के चरण कमल निसदीन सुमर रे भावधर कर भीतर जल दितर रे हरे के चरण कमल जोजी जोजी धरत धान जोजी जोजी धरत धान पावत समाधान हर रंग कहे ज्ञान आवरी धर रे हरे के चरण कमल हर के चरण चरण हरि के चरण कमल निसधीन सुमर हरि के चरण कमल हरि के चरण रे म पद प म द प द प म रे 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 म म प प ध म ग रे ग ह रे गे सा रे प सा रे प सा रे 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 प
Uh-huh.
प म द प नि द प म प नि सा रे रे नि द प म प सा 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 नि रे नि द प म प द म प नि द प म प द ध म ग रे रे प द ध म ग रे ग रे सा रे के चरण कमल हरि प म प द प सा नि द रे दा ग ग रे दा नि दा ध दा नि द प म द सा सा द रे 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 प प सा रे प रे ग रे दा प ध म द नि द प म प द ध म ग रे हरि
Uh-huh.
के चरण कमल हरि
Ah.
जोजी जोजी धरत ध्यान जोजी जोजी धरत ध्यान जोजी 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 धरत ध्यान जोजी जोजी धरत ध्यान जोजी जोजी धरत ध्यान पावत समाधान हर रंग कहे ज्ञान अवधि चित धर रे हरि के चरण कमल
Ah.
Selected. Inbox. 01 Rob Shri.
That was Rak Shri.
16.6 megabytes.
And
06. 0. Selected. 01 Rob Shri.
so the
Sort by
divinity of Rak Shri and the divinity of his voice. What an amazing combination, isn't it? So Pandit Dattatreya Vishnu Paluskar ji, DV Paluskar ji, he was the 12th child of his parents. Of course, his father, another legendary Pandit Vishnu Digambar Paluskar ji, somebody who streamlined music education, which is what we are all following today. So we actually are indebted to him, right? Because he was the one, along with Pandit Bhatkhande ji, who kind of streamlined as to how music should be taught. So, and the very, very famous Gandharva Mahavidyalaya was started by Pandit Vishnu Digambar ji in 1901 at Lahore. Now, he had 11 children, and sadly, all of them passed away in their infancy. And so, when Pandit Dattatreya ji was born, his father was not very hopeful that even this child will survive. So, apparently, he did not get attached to Dattatreya until he was a year old. And when he was told that your child is a blessed child, and he should be taken care of, and because he was named Dattatreya, he was considered an incarnation of Dattatreya. So that is when Vishnu Digambar ji took him as his child and began training him. But Vishnu Digambar ji was so busy with his own performances, his own travel, that he could hardly teach him. So Dattatreya ji, that is DV Paluskar ji, also learned from his uncle. And sadly, though, at the age of 10, Paluskar ji lost his father in 1931. But then he went under the tutelage of one of Paluskar ji's senior most disciples, Pandit Vinayak Rao Patwardhan ji. And he was the one who really groomed Pandit Dattatreya Vishnu Paluskar ji into the artist that he eventually became. So the second composition that we are going to listen is, so basically Rak Shri was, like I mentioned, a late evening rag sung exactly around this time. Now let's listen to one of the most popular early night rags, Rag Bhopali, also called as Bhoop, in which Panditji sings a drut composition in Teen Tal, a very popular composition, Jab se tumisan lagali, Preetan Naveli. So let's listen to this Rag Bhoop.
Selected. File info. 0 to Rob Boop. M.
जब से सुमितन लागरि जब से सुमितन लागरि जब से सुमितन
प्यारे ब्रह्मा मोरे जब से तुम ना गले जब से
Wow.
Selected. Inbox.
So this is Rag Bhoop,
MP3. 15.6 megabytes.
you know, the most,
2021.
one of the
06.
popular
0.
rags, as all of you know.
MP3. 1. Kind. Button. 4 of 4.
So he belonged to Gwalior Gharana, Paluskar ji. One of the features of Gwalior Gharana, in fact, I would actually like to mention a couple of the features. One feature is when they present a rag, they just straight away get into the rag. So, like, just for an example, like now you heard Rag Bhoop, right? Bhopali. So, a very common rag. So, the main phrases of Bhoop, the sa re re pa ga re ga sa re sa re ga. So just they just straight away hit that ga, which is the main note of Bhoop. Whereas in gharanas like Kirana Gharana, they would gradually elaborate the rag. Sometimes the listeners are kept guessing as to which rag the singer is intending to present. So that's the major difference between Gwalior Gharana and the other gharanas. The other very interesting feature about Gwalior Gharana is something that we just heard when Panditji sang Rag Bhoop, and which is the Laikari, right? So you heard like Jab se tumi san lagali britan veli jab se tumi san lagali, right? So that's the Laikari. So basically you keep dodging the rhythm, and then finally you come exactly on the beat. So that's what is another very interesting feature of Gwalior Gharana. The third interesting feature about Gwalior Gharana, and specifically a feature that you will find in Panditji's singing, is bol tans, meaning you sing tans by using the words of the composition. So, jab se tumi sana jab se. So, those kind of tans. So these are called bol tans. So those are some of the typical features of Gwalior Gharana, which we find in Paluskarji's singing, and which is what we just now heard. So coming to the third presentation, after this presentation of Rag Bhoop, which was an early night rag, let's look at a late morning rag, a pretty popular one, and that is Rag Jaunpuri, in which you're going to hear a Madhyalay Teen Tal composition. Teen Tal, as all of you know, is 16 beat cycle. So this is a Madhyalay Teen Tal that he sings. Sajan Ghar Lagiya Sathiya. And Jaunpuri, just for an idea, Sa re ma pa sa da pa ma pa ga re sa re ma pa ni da pa. This is a typical movement of Jaunpuri. So let's hear this brilliant composition in Tal, Teen Tal.
01 Rock Street. 03 Rock Jaunpuri. MP3.
सजन कर लागे या साड़िया सजन कर लागे या साड़िया सजन कर लागे या साड़ी तोरे बिछुरे हो बजो बावरे लागे रहे आखिया निश लागे सजना करे लागे साड़िया सजन
Ah.
सासरट नाजिलमुन की सासरट नाजिलमुन की सासरट नाजिलमुन की घरी न बिछुने पल पल छिन गए प्रेम प्रीत कर मन ना बिसारा आ जाओ शीतला वो घर के या सजन घर
Ah.
लागेला साड़िया सजन घर ला सजन घर ला या साड़िया
Ah. Hmm. Ah. Ah. Wow, what amazing speed, isn't it? It just like absolutely takes off from nowhere, and the clarity in that speed, simply amazing. You know, it's like when you hear this kind of music, you just like speechless, like you really don't think, or I mean, you can't think as to what to say next, basically. So, uh, after this amazing performance that we heard in Rag Jaunpuri, the next one is going to be a Drut Teen Tal, 16 beats in a Rag God Sarang, afternoon Rag. So after a late morning Rag, we have an afternoon Rag, which is Rag God Sarang. We probably have, I can't remember if we have talked about this Rag in Swar Shravan, but just for you to get an idea as to how God Sarang goes. It's a pretty Vakra Rag, but there is a very distinct phrase of this Rag which has to be kept repeated all the time, and that phrase is Sagare Maga. So this is a typical na 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 na. This is a typical phrase of God Sarang. Pa pa maga mare gare maga. Pa sa pa dha ma pa maga. ga ma re ma ga pa re sa ga re ma ga. So this is typical God Sarang moment, and Panditji is going to be singing for us a very very popular, another legendary composition. In fact, I'm pretty sure that all these compositions Panditji himself must have popularized by singing them initially uh, in the 40s and in the 50s. And so all these compositions have become legendary compositions. Sure, they are all traditional compositions, but they were actually popularized by Panditji, when he sang these rags for HMV. So let's listen to this Piyu Palan Lagi Mori Akhiyan in Rag God Sarang.
Speech on. 504 Rag God Sarang. Selected. Speech on.
Din din da da, din din da. Wow, that was Rag Gaud Sarang for you. So the next one is going to be a very very popular rag again, which is not time bound. It's a seasonal rag. Now technically it is sung in the night, but normally you will hear it at any time of the day, especially during rainy season. And which one are we talking about? Mia Malhar, Rag Mia Malhar. And this composition that you're going to hear is called Eri Ladli, another very traditional composition. So interestingly, when I had learned it in a tal called Ada Chautal, which is 14 beat cycle. This one that you're going to hear from Panditji is in Ek tal, which is 12 beat cycle. So it's a Drut Ektal composition in Rag Mia Malhar. Mia Malhar, of course, I'm sure all of you know Mia Malhar. Just the moment, the typical, the feeling of rain that it creates. Mapani dani sani dani mapa mapa ga mare re ni sa re pa ga mare sa. So that's Rag Mia Malhar. So let's listen to this.
Speech on. File info. 06 KOG. 05 Rog Mayam.
ಬರಗಾರು ಥಮೋಯ ಬಿಚನನ ನನದೆ ಚುನರಿಯ ಕಲಾರದಿ ಈ ಕಲಾರದಿ ಈ ಲಾಡಲರೋಗೆ ಬರಖಾರು ತಮೋಯ ಬಿಚನನ ನನದೆ ಚುನರಿಯ ಕಲಾರದಿ ಈ ಕಲಾರದಿ जैसे रुदऊ बगे जैसे रुदऊ बगे जैसे जैसे रुदऊ बगे जैसे रुदऊ बगे सदा रंग गेल सरगार बरखारु तमोय बिचन नन दे ए चुनरिया कलार दे ई कलार दे कलारली कलारली
Selected. Inbox. 05 Rog Mayam Malhar. Speech off.
So that was Rag Mia Malhar for you. Kahe Ladali, the composition. The next one is going to be a very interesting one. Now, Paluskar ji also sang many devotional songs. And believe it or not, the most common devotional songs that we hear today, very few people know that they were originally sung by Paluskar ji. Many a times, what happens is we get carried away when we listen to a lot of orchestra and, you know, the enhancement that the orchestra provides to music that actually attracts us to that particular song or composition, and nothing wrong with that. But then this makes us ignore what was actually recorded originally without any of this jing bang, right? So when you listen to this most popular evergreen, probably one of the most sung devotional songs, so when you listen to this one, you'll actually wonder, oh, is this the same one that was uh, uh, that has been popularized by Lataji when she sang the same song, but with all orchestration? But then we must have hardly heard this one, and uh, therefore we must have actually missed enjoying the originality of this song as it was composed and sung first time by Pandit Paluskar ji. And the song that I'm talking about is none other than the popular bhajan of Sant Mirabai, Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Dhan Payo, originally sung by Paluskar ji. And in many of his concerts, as we are hearing today, there is sarangi accompaniment and there is also violin accompaniment. And the violin accompaniment was actually provided by one of the very legendary violinists. Maybe we can talk about him in our later sessions of Swar Shravan, Pandit D.K. Datarji. So he was the one who accompanied Paluskar ji in most of his concerts. And I think you'll probably hear his violin in this song also. So here we go with Paluskar ji with the original composition of Payo Ji Maine.
Speech on. File info. 07AH 06 PAOG main. Selected. 06 button. Speech off.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
There you go, violin.
पायो जी मैंने वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु वस्तु अमोलिक वस्तु अमोलिक वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु कृपा कर अपना जो पायो जी मैंने
Ahaha.
राम रतन धन पायो
This is the original one.
जन्म जन्म की जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए पूंजी पाए पूंजी पाए जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए जग में सभी को बाजो बाजो जी मैंने राम रतन धन बाजो पाजो जी मैंने राम रतन धन बाजो पाजो जी मैंने
Ahaha.
राम रतन धन बाजो पाजो जी मैंने राम रतन धन बाजो पाजो जी मैंने खर्च न छूटवा को खर्च न छूटवा को चूरन लूटे दिन दिन बढ़त कबायो बायो जी मैंने
Uh-huh.
सतती नाम शिवतिया सतगुरु भवसागर तर आयो बायो जी मन भवसागर तर आयो बायो जी मन मीरा के प्रभु 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 गिरिधर नागर हरक हरक जस गायो पायो जी मन राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मन राम रतन धन पायो
Speech on. Speech off.
Wow. See, it just sounds so different, isn't it, from what we commonly hear in today's times. And then now we know that this is how it was composed and sung originally by Paluskarji. So the next one is a very interesting one. In fact, this one is a song that we had played in our first Swar Shravan when we were talking about Ustad Amir Khan Sahab. And the legendary song which combined these two legendary singers. And I'm sure some of you must have already guessed the song. And that is from the movie Baiju Bawra, based on Rag Desi. And the song goes, Aaj Gawat Man Mero Jhumke. Right? So, couple of interesting things that I wanted to share about this song. I think this one probably I must have mentioned when I did Amir Khan Saab's presentation, and that was that when Amir Khan Saab was asked as to who do you think should be chosen to sing along with him, because this was like a competition between Tansen ji and Baiju Bawra ji, right? So Amir Khan Saab was singing the part of Tansen ji. So when he was asked, he said, well, there's nobody else other than Pandit D.V. Paluskarji who can do justice to this. And that is how Pandit ji was involved. And just recently, I was listening to a very detailed description about Pandit D.V. Paluskarji's life by the head of the Department of Music, Mumbai University, where I studied. And his name was Dr. Vidyadhar Vyasji, who was also our teacher when we did masters in music. So Vidyadhar Vyasji's father, Pandit Narayan Rao Vyasji, was also greatly influential on Pandit Paluskarji. So Paluskarji had very high regard for Pandit Narayan Rao Vyasji. And Vyasar was saying that apparently the rehearsals for this song used to happen in their house. So the rehearsals were conducted in a way in which his father and his uncle, they were the ones who were training Amir Khan Saab and Paluskarji. Like, can you believe this? They were training them as to how to sing this song. And the rehearsals used to be held day in and day out, and apparently Paluskarji was so organized. He was like, he would get his notes, he would absolutely note. See, because it was a movie song, right? It was not a classical concert, so movie song had its restriction about time and the number of times that you had to sing a line and all that. So Paluskarji apparently would notate everything so meticulously, and he would have all his notes and everything ready. And the practice went, and then the song was recorded, and the rest is history, right? So this is Rag Desi. It's a early morning rag. In fact, early / maybe late morning, actually. Late morning, like between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. Sung during that time. And it goes somehow something like this. Re ma pa dha pa ma pa re, re ma pa re ga sa re ni sa re ma pa pa sa pa da ma pa re, re pa ga re ga sa re ni sa. That's how Rag Desi goes. And so let's listen to this legendary song by the two legends, Amir Khan Sahab and Pandit Paluskar ji.
Speech on. Close. Button. 20%. Close. Close. 05. File info. 07 AHA Govidman Mero June Cat. MP3. 3.7 meg. Selected. 0. Close. Button.
आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, तेरी तान भगवान। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, तेरी तान भगवान। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, हर गया तो जीवन जावे, जीता गायक दुनिया पावे, रखियो अब मोरी शान रे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, प्रेम के कारण प्रेमी गावे, तानु से पातर पिघलावे, जगत में रहे मान रे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के। सात सुरों के मधुरा मिलन में, जादू आज जगा दे। बैजू के संगीत से दाता, जल में आग लगा दे, जल में आग लगा दे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन, आज गावत मन, आज गावत मन, आज गावत मन, आज गावत मन। आज गावत मन आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन। सरे मब सरे मब निदा धनि सरे मब 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 धनि दा धनि धनि दा पद मब धा मब रे गा धनि दा। आज गावत मन
Well, I just have to make sure that all of our glasses are intact, because I think if you hear this kind of music, I think anything can happen, right? So it's absolutely just so amazing. So yeah, so this was the legendary song. Now, to finish our presentation about Pandit Paluskar ji, we, as always, finish with Rag Bhairavi and a bhajan of Sant Tulsidas Maharaj, a very popular one, Bhaj Man Ram Charan Sukhdai. So before I present this last bhajan for you, just a request that, so like we heard Pandit ji, and so can you believe this, that there is so much available on YouTube about Pandit ji and his recordings in such a short span of his 34 years. It's really unbelievable. Like, as I mentioned in the beginning, everybody wanted him to sing for them. Everybody. So so like say Mia Malhar that we heard just now, there is another composition of his in this in the same rag available on YouTube, and there are so many other rags that he has sung, which we were not able to present for you because of lack of time. But just imagine that in that short span of time that he lived, he just totally ruled Indian classical music. And only if he would have been around, what would have happened, right? We never know. So let's bow down to this legendary artist and listen to this legendary composition by Sant Tulsidas ji, Bhaj Man Ram Charan Sukhdai, in Rag Bhairavi.
Speech on. 08 Raw Bhairavi Bhajan. MP3. 08 Raw Bhairavi Bhajan. MP3. 14.3 megabytes. 2021. 06090. Colon 26 left. File info. 08 Raw Bhairavi Bhajan. Select.
शंकर जटा समाजे शंकर जटा समाजे जटा शंकरी नाम पर्यो है जटा शंकरी नाम पर्यो है त्रिभुवन तारन हारे भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई सोई चरण संतन जन सेवक सदा रहत सुखदाई सोई चरण संतन जन सेवक सदा रहत सुखदाई सोई चरण गौतम ऋषि नारे सोई चरण गौतम ऋषि नारे सोई चरण गौतम ऋषि नारे परश परम पद पाए भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई राम चरण सुखदाई भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई राम चरण सुखदाई दंड गवन प्रभु पावन कीनो ऋषियन त्रास मिटाए दंड गवन प्रभु पावन कीनो ऋषियन त्रास मिटाए को अनुज विभीषण निशिचर, रिपु को अनुज विभीषण निशिचर, परशत लंका पारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे। राम चरण सुखदारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे। भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे, भज मन राम चरण सुखदारे। शिव सनकादिक अरु ब्रह्मादिक, शिव सनकादिक अरु ब्रह्मादिक, शेष सहस्र मुख गाये। शिव शिवसनकादिक अरुहादिक शेष सहस्र मुख गाये। तुलसीदास मारुत सुत जेनो, तुलसीदास मारुत सुत जेनो, तुलसीदास मारुत सुत जेनो, निज मुख करत बधाये, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाये, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाये।
Speech on. Speech off.
So that was Pandit D.V. Paluskar ji. And salutations to this legendary singer. And let us all listen to his amazing music that is available for all of us, and really cherish his music, and absolutely get soaked in this amazing ocean of sound, if I were to say, and ocean of divinity that Pandit Paluskar ji personified. So with this, we finish the session for today. The next session is going to be session number 11. And guess what? It is going to be held on the 11th. So session number 11 on the 11th of July, second Sunday, same time, 5:30, and obviously same place online. So till then, happy listening and stay safe. Namaskar.